Praise before thy house, O alma mater, thy hand hath done its work full faithfully. The incense of thy spirit has ascended, and filled the merry crowd from sea to sea. Olive green and blue we love thee, where to be now our fealty true. Where the trees are ever greenest, where the skies are purest blue.
Sorry, so we all say the, well, he's on says the perfect one, but we go perfect one, perfect one, perfect one. Let's try that liquid. 1, 2, 3. Perfect one. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. The perfect one, and will return to New Orleans to meet that rising sun. Okay, let's try it from retirement. Wait, but can you guys go retirement? Nice. We want that note to be right. Alright, here we go.
His prize is almost won. Retirement, but he'll return to New Orleans beneath that rising sun.
And as we go up, we'll go in this way.
Heroes now to
Okay, cool. So we're gonna need 10 mics, and we're gonna want them sort of set to different levels during the sound check. We can figure that part out.
That's fine. That's perfect.
One will be house left.
Okay, or stage right, whatever's easier. Yeah, they told me 12, so there's 12 here.
Yes, thank you. We had. Wait, sorry, were you guys in the same order as when you walked up just now? Who has 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does that say 9? And then I. Everybody, when Nick's gonna say his line, everybody just face Scotty C, and then after we get the little thing, everybody face back and I'll say this. Yes. Okay guys, now we're gonna run it. So now we're all gonna walk off stage in a line. So we just finished singing to Scotty C. Now we're gonna sort of like turn, give him a little wave right afterwards, and then we're gonna walk off. We're not gonna take it out. I'll take his hand first.
We praise thee for thy Paschal alma mater. Thy hand hath done its work full faithfully. The incense of thy Spirit hath ascended and filled America from sea to sea. Olive green and blue we love thee. Pledge we now our fealty true. Where the trees are ever greenest, where the skies are purest blue. Hear us now until they hear us, as we proudly sing to thee. Take from us our hearts' devotion, thine we are, and thine shall be. We gaze olive green and blue, we love thee. Pledge we now our fealty true. Where the trees are ever greenest, where the skies are purest blue. Hear us now until they hear us, as we proudly sing to thee. Take from us our heart's devotion, thine we are, and thine shall be.
And now a little lanyard for Scotty C. For Scotty C.
There is a school in you. Some say the perfect one. And it's been the home of this Jersey boy. And now he says he's done.
Andrew Green.
Just real quick.
Yeah. And went in Marcel.
Wave to Sky Seas, wave to the audience, and then turn to go.